We are delighted to have you here at the Phil SME Business Show. This is a business podcast and vodcast dedicated to help SME business owners like you boost your business. On today's episode, we meet Chino Granda, the creative mind behind The Lens, and one of the driving forces of Cine Haraya Advertising Corporation, a production house built not just on talent, but on grit, vision, and an unshakable belief in the power of storytelling. From transforming their living room into a makeshift studio during the pandemic, to working with top-tier restaurants and brands, Chino and his team have proven that imagination, when paired with heart and hustle, can change the game. Stay tuned for a few messages from the sponsors that made this episode happen.
Running a business can be hard, but over 7 million people have found a way to make it easier with Odoo. Odoo's suite of business applications streamline, automate, and simplify your business. With user-friendly, intuitive, and fully integrated apps for CRM, accounting, e-commerce, manufacturing, inventory management, you name it, Odoo's got it. Stop wasting time with old software and start getting stuff done with Odoo. Get a free trial at odoo.com. That's odoo.com.
Imagine your business not just reaching its goals, but surpassing them. With Esquire Financing, that vision is not just a possibility, it's reality. Get the cash your business needs in as fast as 3 days, making your barriers become stepping stones. Our partnership is a sure success.
Welcome to the Phil SME Business Show. I am Trixie Esguerra Abrenuya, the CEO and Managing Director of the Philippine SME Business Network and Expo. And today, I feel so blessed to have with us the owner and creative director of Cine Haraya. We have Chino Granda. Chino! Kamusta ka? We've been working all day. And now it's your turn.
Okay naman po. It's my turn to shine.
Yes. You know, Cine Haraya is the advertising company whom we have partnered with in producing season 2 of our Phil SME Business Show. And so far, we're loving it. We're happy. All the guests are impressed. And so by the time you watch this, alam ko marami ka na ring napanood.
Yes, marami na pong nagawa.
Yes. Ganyan pala si Cine Haraya. So it's them. Contact them. Agad-agad. Chino, sige. Share with me 3 things that you're grateful for.
I'm grateful for waking up. Unang-una, number 1. Grateful for Cine Haraya and the team na nag-show up.
Hi guys.
And the third is thankful for Ms. Trixie because you chose us to conduct the shoot for Phil SME.
Thank you. It's a very good partnership. It's a win-win one. Maraming salamat. You know, I remember the time that I met you through Hana Pamuna, no? Yes. Was the time I was actually hoping and looking for a production company who I could work with Phil SME. Then, so parang 3 days pa lang ako nag-iisip, paano kaya? And then suddenly, I saw an email from Hana. Hindi ko naman lahat, obviously na-open lahat and you don't get to answer everything. I try my best. And then sabi ko, then biglang usap na kami ni Hana. And then that started the partnership. And now look where we are. Yes. So, everything talaga happens for a reason.
Nag-a-align siya, ma'am.
Exactly.
More or less.
So, thank you, ha?
Yes.
Kasi syempre,
thank you as well.
if you did not say yes then, baka wala din tayo dito. So, thank you for sharing what you're grateful for. We are also grateful for you guys. So ngayon, ikaw na yung nandyan, hindi ka na behind the camera.
Which is always, nandun ako lagi sa likod ng camera.
I want to ask you, ano yung, because you've been with us in the last edition.
Yes.
Syempre, and then you'd be with us again.
2024 yan, ma'am.
Yes, ngayong 2025, and sabi nyo nga, hindi, sasama kami forever, ganyan. So, I want to know, can you share with us ano yung iyong favorite memory of Phil SME from the last one?
Actually, first namin yung last year. So again, hindi namin ma-compare siya with other years because it's the first namin. So nagulat kami dahil last year also was our first year on trying expos and trying conventions, ganyan, and putting ourselves out there na Cine Haraya, nandito kami. We do production, we do photography. So last year yon tinry namin. And then, out of all the conventions and out of all the expos last year, Phil SME, yung pinaka-nagulat kami. Number 1, because yung dami ng foot traffic. So, compared to 1, 2, 3, 4, mga 5 na expos sinalihan namin last year. Pinakamarami, and hindi lang sa pinakamarami, but interactive. So, pumipila yung mga tao kasi inaantay nila kaming matapos to our other, kumbaga, meron kasi kaming kausap, merong mga kausap, and then inaantay nilang matapos yung per turn.
Yeah.
And then, lumalapit sila sa amin na hindi sila humihingi ng card, hindi sila humihingi ng anything. Ang tanong lang nila, ang unang-unang tanong nila is, how can we collaborate? Yun yung pinaka-gusto kong part ng PhilSME, na people are there to collaborate. People are there to share, hindi to get. Hindi lahat ng tao doon, two-way siya. So, hindi lahat, kasi majority na expos, ang napansin namin, ang mas marami yung agents, mas maraming ahente na would want to get, no? With PhilSME, hindi mas marami, but two-way nga siya. So, 50% yung gustong kumuha, 50% yung willing to give, willing to share their knowledge, expertise, and their products.
Thank you for sharing, no? Kasi syempre, as for us, no, as the organizer, we can tell you many things about, this is what we promised sa Expo, but at the end of the day, what really counts is the experience of exhibitors and sponsors like you. So, you're giving us more confidence.
Yes, and kami ma'am, syempre, first hand yun eh. First hand and first time. Hindi lang first hand, first time. So, yun, doon kami nagulat kasi out of all the expos, ito rin yung pinaka-organized. In terms of the timing, in terms of yung flow, very organized siya.
Thank you. We'll strive to be better than that.
So, yun po.
So now, I want to know, as an advertising company or you're doing production, ganyan, what company pain points, what exactly are you trying to solve for your clients?
For our clients, I believe we are solving, for example, an events organizer. So, we tried going around the bridal fair. So, ang napansin namin with event organizers, ang pinapakita nila lagi are the products, the finished products. For example, kasal siya. So, ang pinapakita mo na is yung kasal. So, was shot by Jason Magbanwa. And then, ito yung gown ni ganito, ni ganyan. Pero ang tanong lagi, nasan ka ron? Ikaw as an event organizer, where are you there? Okay. Hindi ka nakikita.
Yes.
So, I think that's one of the pain points na sinasagot namin or ginagawa namin ng way on how to showcase you as a back-end player, as an admin player of what is happening or what will happen. So, to simplify it, ginagawa namin ng BTS yung BTS.
Okay, oo nga naman.
So, kasi hindi ka nakikita eh. So, hindi nila alam paano mo sinolve yung problem nung kasal. Paano, kunyari, hindi dumating yung cake, paano mo siya sinolve? Gaano kayo ka-organized? You as a company, gaano kayo kagaling? Kumbaga, gaano nyo kagaling inayos yung stage? Gaano kagaling inayos yung mga bulaklak? Hindi dumating yung supplier, paano nyo siya ginawang okay pa rin na the show must go on? So, yun yung gusto naming, or yun yung ginagawa namin for clients na we show that. Kumbaga, we show that area na hindi nakikita ng normal people.
Kasi nga hindi naman sinushoot.
Hindi naman
share.
Oo, hindi naman showcase yun eh. So, eventually, yun yung pinapakita namin.
So, ibig sabihin, event planners out there, event organizers, pwede. No?
Yes, pwede. And, yeah.
Okay, so because then, syempre, people would think, okay, do I do business with this planner?
Yes. So, how do you prove yourself? Kasi ang nakikita mo lang is yung the end product lang yung nakikita nyo eh. 'Di ba pagka pinakita SDE, pinakita yung 'di ba? Yun lang yung nakikita, wala ka doon. So ngayon, ang isa sa ginagawa namin is our corporate AVPs of those companies.
Oo nga, ibang perspective kasi si Hannah din was interviewed in the podcast and I think iba rin naman yung sinare niya. So, let's share to the world what else or what other solutions do you provide? So that's just one aspect, right? You shoot BTS, okay, film. So what else? Because you do food photography, you do...
We do food photography, we do product photography. We also do a little bit of branding, but not as big as
DFT.
Yes, so Design for Tomorrow, no? So Design for Tomorrow is a big thing, no? So we do a simpler version of that. And yun, basically we help companies to make their branding harmonious or cohesive. Wow. We put it out there na cohesive yung brand.
Correct. So you work with a lot of food.
Yes, we work with a lot of chefs, with restaurants. We've worked with Salvatore Cuomo. We've worked with Tequila, with Cork Elite. So we made their menus, parang ganon. So there.
And is this something that you envision to be doing for a very long time?
Yes, because we love food, number one. We love designing food. We love to justify the chef's work.
Oh, why?
Because in the industry po kasi, di ba chefs work a lot eh. Kumbaga, they work hard to make that dish. Tapos ang ending, pinitsura ng cellphone. So parang ganon. So we justify that by giving it the best image possible. So yun po yung ginagawa ng Cine Haraya for the food industry.
Tsaka wala rin silang BTS.
Wala po silang BTS. So with lalabas din po siya, we made an AVP for Brutal. Magaling na magaling siyang chef, si Chef Wado Siman. So gumawa po kami ng AVP for him na, well, ipapauso namin this year.
Papauso,
yeah,
trendsetter.
Chefs should have that kind of AVP.
Aabang ako yan.
Yes. So, yun po, yun yung gusto namin. Yun yung gusto namin na we would justify the hard work of people.
Love it. Saan nanggagaling yun? Yung gano'n na parang, this is what we want. We could shoot many other details, pero parang, this is what has to be put out there. Why that?
Me personally, mahilig ako sa magandang bagay. Okay. So mahilig ako sa magandang damit, magandang sapatos, anything na maganda.
Kaya ang ganda na asawa mo.
Oo. Yes. Okay. So, parang hindi lang kasi ako fan ng pwede na. Yun lang. Kumbaga, doon lang siya nanggagaling.
Okay na to.
Oh, pwede na to? Okay na to. Kumbaga, hindi lang ako fan nun. So, I think, doon siya galing. I mean, doon din yung sinasabi ko sa team ko na marami kasing production houses na, pwede na yan. Tapos ikaw mismo, kahit hindi ka cameraman, hindi ka production person, masisita mo siya na, ano ba yan? Diba? So kami, siguro yun lang yung pinanggagalingan namin na from our core, gusto namin maganda. Yun lang. Kumbaga parang, ang gusto ko, ayoko ng substandard.
Love it.
So parang gano'n lang siya kasimple.
Oo, na yun yung, basta. So, hindi
whatever
dapat
it takes, dapat maganda. Dapat,
ginawa mo.
Gano'n. Kumbaga,
gagawin mo
nandun ka na, kumbaga, dinala mo na lahat ng gamit mo. Might as well pagandahin mo na ng todo kaysa substandard. Kasi hindi ka magiging masaya sa result.
Totoo. You know what? One of the many things that I love about working with you guys is, alam ko na, sure ako dito na ang ibibigay, even just for the draft, is something na parang inyo talaga. You know, kasi naiintindihan nyo parang you're beyond the aesthetics. You're beyond the lighting and kumbaga the setup is already good. Pero lalo na yung content, and then you know how to navigate. You know how to, talaga may puso, may pag-iisip talaga na alam mong walang basta-basta. So, I could attest to that, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
Okay.
So, we really take time, Ms. Trixie, to sit down on it and plan it and hard comment on it na ito sablay ito mali ito. Ito lipat mo to. This doesn't connect. Parang ganun.
So, you're in good hands. Okay.
Yeah.
So now, I want to know your, could you share how you got into Cine Haraya?
I graduated from De La Salle College of St. Benilde as a multimedia artist. So, back then, hindi ko alam paano lagyan ng value yung automatic mo nagagawa. Yung automatic mo nagagawa, kumbaga parang magluto, magaling ka magluto, you should be a chef, parang gano'n, di ba? So, hindi ko malagyan ng value yung photography. Kasi, sige, libre na lang kasi.
Walang pressure.
At saka walang pressure. So parang gano'n, walang presyo at pressure. So I've been doing graphic design for Mega World noong nag-graduate po ako. So, Mega World
As a freelancer?
here, BGC. Hindi po, pumasok ako for Mega World as a graphic designer.
Okay.
So, mas nag-upscale yung kadaldalan ko.
Okay.
So, mas marami akong kakwentuhan. Kasi magaling ako kakwentuhan eh. So, na-meet ko yung pinaka-boss ko doon.
Okay.
Sa kanya ako nilipat sa real estate industry.
Okay,
so sobrang layo. Oo, so
okay.
from graphic designer, every day umiinom kami. Kasi gustong-gusto niya ako kakwentuhan.
Okay.
So tinatawag niya ako sa desk ko, tara na, 5 o'clock na. Tapos, alam mo Iho, sabi niya sa akin, alam mo Iho, dapat mag-sales ka eh. Kasi madaldal ka eh. Marami kang sinasabi, marami kang alam, sabi niya gano'n. Tapos madaldal ka, isipin mo, ilan na ako, 45 na ako, ikaw 23 ka lang. So, ba't tayo nag-uusap? Bakit tayo nagja-jive? So, that's a talent. That's a skill na kaya mong gawin na makipag-usap. Okay. Ako naman, syempre, bata. So, sige. Basta, saan ba tayo pupunta? So, eventually, dinala niya ako sa real estate industry. So, I've been in the real estate industry from 2014 to 2019.
Okay.
So, and then pandemic came, bawal lumabas. So, dahil bawal lumabas, kailangan natin mag-isip more than the real estate. Kasi nawala yung viewing, nawala yung mga hindi nawala yung property, pero nawala yung pag-visit sa properties, bawal ka magpa-showroom, anything. So, kailangan namin mag-isip on how to make income, how to make money. So, nakita ko yung luma naming camera. Eh, di ba nung pandemic, lahat naging chef? Di ba?
So then,
kami din, naging chef. Nagbenta kami ng kimchi. So, our kimchi is one of the best kimchi because siya yung pinakamahal sa industry.
Okay.
Because of the branding and favorite siya ng mga celebrity. Papadalan ka namin, Miss Trixie.
yun ang sasabihin ko susunod. Bakit wala?
So, there, so yun siya. Actually, Siniharaya Food Photography started there kasi walang income eh. Pero kailangan kumain. So, kinuha ko yung camera ko. Sabi ko, tawagan natin lahat ng friends natin na naging chef, na naglabas ng food. We'll take pictures of that para ma-advertise nila. And in return, may pagkain tayo.
Oh, wonderful.
So, eventually, the whole pandemic, hindi kami nag-grocery.
Huy, ang sayo, grabe. Wow.
Merong, Miss Trixie, merong dumating one time, 21 na cake. 21 whole cakes. Kasi kailangan niya picturean eh. Di ba? Hindi ko na pwedeng i-photoshop, di ba? Hindi ko pwedeng i-photoshop yung design ng cake. So, pinadala niya 21 na cake, dumating sa bahay. So, took a shot of it, and then, inassorted ko, pinamigay namin sa kapitbahay. Kasi hindi mo makakain eh. Tapos dumarating noon, 4 na whole chicken, 4 na gano'n. Kasi per cut, iba ng picture.
Fun. So, win-win siya.
Win-win. Sobra. As in, so I think doon nag-start yung Siniharaya na, sige, i-formalize natin ulit. Kasi walang brand dati, walang brand yung Siniharaya. Kasi hindi ko naman siya alam eh. So si Hannah yon and her best friend.
Hannah, the wife, and then her best friend started it or founded it in 2013.
2013, 2012.
Mga gano'n, diba? Tapos binalik na lang nung pandemic.
Binalik namin kasi we wanted to brand the food photography.
Not to be insensitive with the people who, during the pandemic, it wasn't a very good experience for them. I mean, I don't think the whole world naman, generally, it wasn't a good experience. But looking at it, ako for example, personally lang naman, parang that was the time also, my husband lost everything. Siyempre, expo. Wala kang expo na, may pandemic, bawal magpa-expo, so nag-cancel, mga ganon. Tapos he lost the employees, the office, ganyan. Dun pumunta naman yung opportunity na hanap nga tayo, baka pwede tayo magkaroon ng virtual. Diba? So parang, and then it happened. Tapos nakadalawa pa. Then eventually, nakabalik sa SMX. So, yun din, para bang, at the beginning nga parang, hindi, sige, if you were a client before, we won't charge you. Come join the virtual expo para lang to keep the industry alive. Diba? Tapos, and there's still the marketplace. And then, so your story reminded me rin na, oh my God, imagine, now we do everything then also na, we work remotely, so you don't really need a physical space to create in preparation for the expo. So makita mo na, okay, so the pandemic in a way, opened our eyes, gave us options.
Yes.
A lot of opportunities was born out of it, right? So, ganun ko na lang siya gusto makita.
Yes. Tsaka
right
marami
now.
siya, di ba marami ka tayo narinig, pandemic baby na businesses. Kasi nga, maraming opportunities ng pandemic. Pero, sinabi rin sa atin ng pandemic na, sandali, mag-isip kayo more. Kasi, spoon-fed na lahat eh. So, dahil bawal lumabas, mag-isip ka more. Anong pwede mong gawin? Parang ganun.
So, in a way, I think the world, sana wala magalit, pero I think the world needed that.
Yes.
We just didn't understand and
Iba lang yung approach.
yes. So see, that's the good side of it. Now, that's the story of Chino. So why should brands knock on your door and say na, uy, sige nga, let's collaborate or let's work together? Bakit kayo? Ang dami-daming agencies dyan, ang dami-dami nag-shoot, ang dami-dami. Bakit kayo?
One selling point of Cineharaya is we're very approachable. We have attention to detail. Well, marami namang may attention to detail, but I believe madali kaming kausap. We want to do projects na magpapasaya sa clients. And one selling point na I think na sinabi nyo nga po kanina na we really accept it na parang sa amin. Yun po yung main core namin na may malasakit kami doon sa per project. Meron kaming malasakit to...
Take it as your own.
Yes, we take it as our own and hindi pwedeng-pwede na.
That's the thing.
Yun lang siya. Kumbaga parang, I think yun yung one key point na selling point ng Cineharaya is hindi pwedeng-pwede na.
Beautiful.
Mm-mm.
So now, Chino, syempre the PhilSME community is growing, and if they feel na, napanood ko si Chino, try natin to, I'm a F&B owner din, ganyan, sa aking probinsya o saan man, di ba? What PhilSME offer could we give them care of Cineharaya?
Siyempre for SME, no? Hindi po for large companies. So, for SME, I think we can give low down payments. So, depende po sa... Actually, hindi ako makapagbigay ng figure because it depends on what they need. Do they need AVP? Do they need food photography? Do they need food reels? So, eventually, you can approach us or tawagan niyo po kami sa mga social media platforms namin. And then, we can give low down payments for the year.
Ganda,
For
galing nun.
Phil
Sabihin nyo
SME
SME
members.
kayo or sabihin nyo PhilSME, I'm part of PhilSME, I watched you, Chino, and madali na yan.
Yes.
Diba?
Kasi yun nga, as Sir Rick said na malaki yung heart namin for SME because we're still there and hoping not to be there na.
Di ba? That's the ano eh. Parang long term, anong gusto mo? Syempre, we all grow together. Wonderful. So, Chino, now, out of the many lessons you have learned in life, what's that one main lesson that you wish to share to the world?
Stay tuned for a few messages from the sponsors that made this episode happen.
Imagine your business not just reaching its goals, but surpassing them. With Esquire Financing, that vision is not just a possibility, it's reality. Get the cash your business needs in as fast as 3 days, making your barriers become stepping stones. Our partnership is a sure success.
Looking to elevate your brand and product to the next level? Connect with Cube Digital Smart Locker. Cube offers smart locker ownership, partnership, and franchising opportunities for current and future business partners. Integrate your brand and products with Cube Digital Smart Locker for a future-ready world. Visit www.cubesmartlockers.com to learn more. Experience innovation. The future is here.
Chino, now, out of the many lessons you have learned in life, what's that one main lesson that you wish to share to the world?
In connection to that pandemic story, look at the positive side of things. Yun lang po siya. Kasi 'di ba, sobrang lungkot ng pandemic, sobrang hirap and everything. Pero doon nabuo yung kung nasan kami ngayon. So that's Cineharaya. Hindi naman siya doon nabuo kasi 2013 pa siya, pero doon siya na revive. So I think for everyone, what I can share today is look at the positive side of things and just keep going, yun lang.
Love it. Thank you. So that's the lesson for today. Yung for tomorrow. Hindi, joke lang.
Iisipin ko pa po.
Thank you. I believe in that. Tama. Hindi ko nadadagdagan yun. Hindi ko nadadagdagan, but thank you very much, Chino, for the service that you do for PhilSME and for basically everything that you do for the people of the Philippines, because we need more of you guys. Lalo na ngayon, it's all about videos. No? So you bring, it's not just photos, it's not just selling, sige, ito yung food, bilhin mo, ganyan, enticing, okay na. It's really more of, you're delivering the truth. I would have to say, kasi what you shoot is the truth. It's the actual thing na ito yung moment of truth, sinasabi nga nila, di ba? Na ito talaga yung makikita mo, ito yung nangyari. So, you play a very big part in growing
it's a justification of your hard work. Yun po yung binibigay namin sa clients na gusto namin ipakita kung gaano mo siya katindi pinag-isipan for chefs, for service providers. Kaya kami gumagawa ng AVPs for them kasi ginawa mo siya ng mahirap So, show it kung paano mo siya ginawa.
Wonderful. So, if you have an event, an upcoming event also, or kung ano man yan, big, small, convention, or kung ano man, and then if you think that, okay, we can get them, right, to shoot us, and then we can collaborate, or we can do business together, just approach Cine Haraya.
Yep. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, and please invite them to the expo. Chino, you'll be there.
I'm inviting everyone to PhilSME Expo on May 9 and 10. So, see you there. Magkakaroon kami ng Cine Haraya success story sa booth. So, daan lang kayo.
Thank you so much, Chino. See you at the 16th Philippine SME Business Expo on May 9 and 10, 2025 at SMX Convention Center, Manila. Salamat. See you there.
If you like this show, like and tap the follow button. Please feel free to leave us a review before you go, as this will definitely help more SME business owners in the Philippines. Thank you. Until the next episode.